But you are a folktale, I'm a believer. You are a pipe dream, I am a dreamer. You are a phone call.
I didn't ask for much, I just wanted to feel your touch.
Hello you guys, I am back from my trip. I need to restart my regular routine and I wanted to bring you guys along with me. I also need to catch up on a bit of things like my laundry, cleaning my apartment. The bad thing about going on a trip is that when you leave your apartment, just like nothing gets done because obviously there is nobody home to do these things for you. So I need to do a bit of cleaning and some laundry, but I wanted to start off by doing a Pilates class online and I wanted to bring you guys along. My trip was really nice, it went well. The wedding that I went to was really beautiful. Every time I go on a trip I have such a good time, but I also am a homebody, so it's always so nice to be back. This morning I also had a cup of coffee, which I enjoyed so much. I missed having my coffee from home, but there's just something so special about the coffee or matcha that you make, you know, at home. So yeah, let's get started. Also guys, I wanted to say that on my flight here back home to California, I was reading my book and I have to tell you guys about this book. It is amazing. Like, I was in tears last night when I finished it. The book is called Just for the Summer and this book is amazing. The whole book is between Emma and Justin, and it just goes back and forth between their perspectives. So yeah, I highly recommend this book. Okay, so I am trying to pick a class to take with Nicole. I am kind of leaning on doing an ab workout. She has a few of them where you can just lay on the mat and there is no actual standing. It just depends on what you're feeling, you know. There's some that are shorter than others, 15, 20, 30, 40 minutes. But today I'm going to be doing a 30-minute class. I think I'm going to do a full body. We'll see. Alright, so I'll bring you guys along. It's going to be about a 30-minute workout. So that'll be fun. So I'm going to do that and then I will probably try to fast forward this so that you guys don't have to watch me do the whole class. So I'll be back.
I used to feel butterflies inside. We watched the sunset and watched the clouds slowly pass us by. But you didn't love me, so you chose to say goodbye.
That class killed me. Oh my gosh. It was all arms and engaging our core and it was amazing. I'm so glad I did it. I am so thirsty, so let me grab my water. So I've been loving this water bottle that I got from Amazon. It's so good, and it has this top and it also has a straw top, which is really nice, and the color is so pretty. It's like this really pretty light pink. Kind of reminds me of the Lululemon, except it's half the fraction of the price. Ever since I bought it, I've been drinking way more water. I gotta put away my laundry now. I've got so much to do.
It's okay, I will be okay. You will never mind, though I thought. So you moved on to break some other girl's heart, and the pain you left me sinking in is now just fake scars. I'm okay, yes, I'm okay.
Hey guys, it is the next day, August the 22nd, and it is 11:30 in the morning. I just made myself some tea. This is a Trader Joe's black tea, and I am just taking the day easy and slow. I feel like a little bit tired from my trip still, and I am watching Gilmore Girls. So let me show you guys what I am looking at. So I'm just drinking my tea, and I am watching Gilmore Girls. I'm on season 3, episode 14. And if you also watch Gilmore Girls, let me know. I watch it on Netflix. If you watch it, let me know. I'm also going to be reading a new book. So as we restart our routine, I wanted to say that I'm going to be reading a new book, and I wanted to show you guys what that looks like. Sorry about my camera, it's like just not focusing right now. There we go. So I'm going to be starting a new book, and this is the book that I am starting. I'm on the prologue already, and I cannot wait to actually start it. It is a book that I had been wanting to read this whole summer, so I'm finally getting to it. But I'm going to enjoy my tea, and I'm going to finish watching Gilmore. But yeah, that's what I'm up to. I'm taking the day very slowly, and yeah.
Myself could see me now. Didn't mean to wake you, just go back to sleep. Been telling secrets I was supposed to.
Coleslaw, chicken, and veggies.
But you are a folktale, I'm a believer. You are a pipe dream, I am a dreamer. You are a phone call, I'm a receiver. You are a sickness, and I've got a fever. Asking me what are we, a stranger at a party. Said